Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Amitatullah. Before that, I'll choose Top Lift Company. So now I want to start presentation with company background. Top Lift Corporation Berhad was founded in Malaysia in 1991 by Tan Sri Dr. Lim Wichai. They grew from one factory to become the world's largest glove manufacturer, dominating the global market with extensive production in Malaysia, Thailand, China, and Vietnam, and exporting to over 195 countries. By offering diverse products like latex, nitrile, and surgical gloves, alongside other health and household items, driven by continuous innovation, strategic growth, and a focus on sustainability and employee welfare.
Hi, my name is Amalia Fatia binti Mohammed. I will present about product produce of Top Glove. So first is type of product Top Glove offer a specialty range of product for the medical file, including glove for general surgery, microsurgery, orthopedic surgery, and high-risk surgery, as we as under glove for double twin purpose. Let's look at the music score of Top Glove. The world's largest glove manufacturer, they operate more than 50 factories with over 800 procedure lines annually. They procedure over 1 million gloves and export them more than 195 countries worldwide. Next, their procedure process is divided into several main stages starting from compounding and dipping into latex or nitrogen to dry organization and repeat. Every undergoes strict quality examination like AQL and tensile tests. The US CE from Europa and ISO 13485 for medical device quality management. So next, innovation is at the heart of their opportunities. Top Glove utilize advanced technology including automation system and robotic handling to increase efficiency. They also use high efficiency exploitation machine and are moving towards sustainability by use sustainable material as seen in their BioGreen glove ranges.
Now, I will talk about my part, which is raw material used by Top Glove. Top Glove use key raw materials such as neutral rubber latex, NRR, for latex glove and nitrile butadiene rubber or NBR. For nitrile glove, these two materials are very important because they support Top Glove wide range of glove for medical and industrial use. Besides that, Top Glove also use synthetic polystyrene and is developing plant-based material like sugarcane and cornstarch to produce more sustainable gloves. However, raw material costs, especially nitrile, which is linked to crude oil price, have a big impact on their production costs. Now, I will explain the main raw material used by Top Glove. First is natural rubber latex, which is the base material for traditional latex glove. It's taken from rubber tree and its price is affected by seasonal factors such as wintering period. Second is nitrile butadiene rubber, which is synthetic rubber made from crude oil used for nitrile glove. Because of this, its price changes depending on global oil price. Third is polyvinyl chloride or PVC, which is used to make vinyl glove. Lastly, Top Glove is also developing plant-based material using renewable resources like sugarcane and cornstarch to make biodegradable glove and reduce environmental impact.
For this slide, I will explain direct labor in the Top Glove. Direct labor refers to workers who are directly involved in the production of clothes and whose work can be clearly traced to the final product. In the Top Glove, examples of direct labor included machine operators, production line workers, and quality control inspectors. These workers operated machines, handle the production process, and ensure the gloves meet quality standards because their work is directly related to production. Their wages are included in the prime cost and also form part of the cost of production. Now, this slide explains indirect labor in the Top Glove. Indirect labor refer to employees who support the production process but are not directly involved in the making the gloves. So, their wages cannot be traced to a specific product. Examples of indirect labor in Top Glove include the factory, supervisors, maintenance staff, and storekeepers. These workers help ensure production runs smoothly, but since they do not produce the glove themselves, their wages are treated as manufacturing overhead. Treatment of labor costs in manufacturing account. So this slide explains the treatment of labor costs in the manufacturing account. Direct labor is added directly to the cost of production. together with raw materials and factory overhead. Meanwhile, the indirect labor is included under factory overhead. Proper treatment of labor costs is important because it helps Top Glove calculate production costs accurately, control costs, and improve efficiency.
Hi, let's continue to overhead cost. Alright, manufacturing overhead cost refers to all indirect costs involved in production. These costs cannot be directly traced to a single glove. Overhead costs can be classified as fixed variable or semi-variable depending on how they behave with production levels. Next, overhead costs divided by 4. Let's see one by one. Firstly, factory utilities include electricity, water, and gas. These are necessary to operate machines and increase as production increases. Secondly, depreciation is the allocation of machine cost over its useful life. Top Glove use expensive machines such as dipping and drying machines. Next is maintenance and factory supplies are required to keep machines running efficiently and to maintain a safe working environment. Lastly, safety and compliance costs are very important in glove manufacturing to meet health, safety, and environmental standards. Alright, this slide shows sample overhead figures for 1 month. These are estimate amounts for learning purpose only. For example, electricity and water, machine depreciation, indirect labor, maintenance and repairs, factory supplies, safety and compliance. Lastly, shows the total of manufacturing overhead cost. That's all from me. Thank you.